So I got a hammer, got a piece of metal. So I've been working on this lately. I'm just gonna do this for the YouTube video.
We just trying to catch a good time.
Holy crap.
And a bottle around the campfire. Sipping apple pie and moonshine. Yeah, we picking on them guitars just right. Everybody singing Dixieland delight. Like a bottle on a wet line. We just trying to catch a good time.
This is a once in a
80 degrees and the sun ain't
thing opportunity.
I'm
doing this right now.
When that moon comes up, you know it's going down. We got them folding chairs leaning back. No other plans other than
Oh my gosh.
we ain't worried about tomorrow.
You see, we kind of like, shall I say,
Just trying to catch a good time. Even if it takes all night. Pass that bottle around the campfire.
trying to sit down.
Sipping apple pie and moonshine. Yeah, we picking on them guitars just right. Everybody singing Dixieland delight. Like a dollar on the wet line.
Hold on.
Trying to catch a good time.
Oh boy. Blacksmithing is not a fun thing.
Way down here,
Of course, it's only an ideal thing, but so
don't take much.
yeah. As you can see, I've flattened this piece out quite a bit. As you can see, it kind of ridges up when you hit it every time. And this used to be a curtain rod. No, this is not hot. Look, it's not hot at all. See, I'll show the other half, which technically my sword, but yeah, right here, right here. See, this thing is really old. Right there, shiny. I set this in the background. Oh my gosh, it looks so weird in camera. Oh gosh. There we go. Oh, come on. Seriously? Sorry, got dust on my phone. Stupid nail. Whoa, it's a screw, but yeah. So, gotta be back. Now I'm using a Husky hammer. Not actually mine, it's someone else's, but yeah, I'm borrowing it. Right here. See, right there's a tough. So go to the other side. I'm gonna switch hammers. Hold on. Okay. New hammer. Bang, bang, bang. Bang. So let's do this. Hold on. See, watch. I'm going. It's kind of like a wave. There we go. Hold on. Y'all gonna have to see the ground for a second. Look at that. This is on Android too, so. There we go. YouTube, I'm back on. Hold on. Gotta dust up my hammer. There we go. Got it ready. No, I'm not at the original place that I do my YouTubes. I'm at someone else's house. Can't tell you, but... Are you kidding me? There we go. Oh my gosh. Whew. Gotta take a break. Oh, you know. When you're doing something like... Oh my gosh. I'm sorry about the noise. Very loud noises. Why do I do this?
I only got a little bit of that.
Oh my gosh. Oh crap. Sorry about the music in the background. It's just something that is playing. I'm gonna go get the husky hammer again.
I remember when we met, I was in a bad place of mind, and you didn't walk away. You just stood there right there by my side, and you told me I was great. I'll never forget the first day that I saw your pretty face. I knew right
I broke a piece of
on the road, and I found
a piece of wood in half with this husky hammer.
down this road, and maybe I'll be late, but I'm only one minute, and I'm doing all I can. Can you stay?
Sorry about the noise. It's just you know, a vacuum going, cleaning out a car. So sorry about that. Your discretion advised. Really loud noises. If you want your ears killed, if you have headphones, then watch this video. As you can see, it's not gonna go straight anymore. Oh my gosh. I'm back. Hey, get in here. Yeah, that's the wrong piece of metal. I'm having chicken Alfredo for supper. I don't actually eat chicken Alfredo, but you know, I'm not gonna eat it. Kitty.
Nope. Is it supposed to rain?
Yep.
It looks like it. Dad didn't take the motorcycle, did he?
No, he's at the truck.
Little kitty. I accidentally zoomed. Look at the door.
Yeah, that's the rain going down.
We're about to get crazy.
What the heck are you doing? Putting us in the dark, buddy.
I
I
like the
can't
dark.
see. I'm blind.
I like the dark.
I'm old and blind.
Leave it be.
Boy, you better run for your life. Oh my God, Thorn, blind me. Jeez, literally. You better
Gotcha.
run.
The laser. Whoop.
Yeah.
I want to end it here.